Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you patch nail art design step by step guide. This cute design looks like patches 7 on your nails. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a red nail polish. Draw square shapes on your nails. Step number 3 is using the same tool and nail polish. Fill in the squares with red nail polish. Step number 4 is using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw more squares on your nails and fill them in it with squares of your nails. Step number 5, using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw stitch lines along the edges of the squares. Step number 6, remove all the extra nail if landed on your skin with nail remover or thinner as well. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful patch nail art design is ready. If you have any query about that, please comment me below, or if you like my efforts and video, do like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you all are like today's my video. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.